Hey Jaguars, it's Miss Doll here. I'm going to make you guys a video to help you with getting into your Google Classroom account, your Pearson, and your Wonders. So the first thing to do is to go and open your Google. So I'm just going to type in Google at the top, and then this blue button over here, you'll go to click Sign In. When you go to sign in, you are going to use your username. So I'm using Jaden's as an example today. So you're going to type in your username. And hit next. Then you are going to enter your password. And hit next. So when you are logged in, you guys are going to go to the waffle up here, and you can go to Classroom. When you go to Classroom, you will see you have McDougall NTI 2nd grade. Go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here, it will bring you into the classroom. You can then go ahead to Classwork. And go to the NTI Days 1 through 10. And this will start on April 6th through April 17th. So you have 3 of them here. The first one is going to be your science. So as you can see here on the science, you're going to be learning about the changing landforms still. So what you're going to do is each day there is an activity for you guys to do. So you will go ahead and do all the activities for day 1. And then there will be a day 2, a day 3, and so on and so forth. So those are for you guys to do while you guys are home. So if you exit out of that, we'll go back to the 3. So we have science, the next one is math. So when you go into the math, it will say remote math learning. So this gives you 10 days worth of instructional review. So as you go through them, the first page shows you how you guys can get to your online text, such as Wonders, Collections, and your Envisions. And I'll show you guys more of that later. It also gives you a list of websites that you guys can go to. These are able to be put on your school logins, and so they tell you here what the website is and if there is a password that goes along with it. And then it starts into your routine. So every day you will do a daily word problem, and then you will do your interactive workbook task, and make sure you're writing your responses into the boxes to get credit for your work. Then you can spend about 25 minutes or so on some of those computer websites practicing more and more of your math. So let's see what the first day looks like. On the first day, you will choose a problem to do for the daily word problem. If you want to be a 2nd grade champion, you can do all 3. So what you will do is you will answer your question and put your answers over here. Next, you will go on to this part, and this is the really important stuff. So here is where you're going to put all of your answers into for these questions. Then there's another page for day 1 where you go ahead, you read your questions, and put your answers in. And then finally for day 1, there's 2 more problems about partners and teams. So you'll go ahead and do those. And that's it for the first day. And then you will see that there's day 2, and so on and so forth. So let's exit out of that, and we'll go to the last one. This is going to be your reading. So this is going to show you how you guys can get into your Wonders. And then each day you're going to be doing some different types of questions. So you're going to go for day 1, and you're going to go ahead and do your questions for each day. And then you'll go into Wonders and do some work on there as well. So how do we get to Wonders and Pearson? You go up to your waffle, you scroll down, and you will see you have your Connect Ed. When you open that, it should bring you right into here, and you guys should know what to do from there. So let's exit out of there, and let's see how to get into our Pearson or our Easy Bridge here. So once again, you just click on it and it will bring you here, and you're going to go to your investigations. And there you guys go. You should know what to do from here. So now you guys know how to get into all of your accounts with Google Classroom, your Pearson, and your Wonders. Good luck with all of your work, guys.